In today's video, I'll walk you through how to find a coin's all-time high and all-time low. Start by opening your browser and going to CoinGecko. Once the site loads, look for the search bar near the top of the page. Click on the search bar and type the name or ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you want to check. For example, you can search for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin listed on CoinGecko. As you type, matching results will appear in the drop-down. Click the correct coin from the list to open its dedicated page. Once you're on the coins page, stay on the main overview section. This page contains the coin's current price, market information, and key statistics. Scroll down slightly until you reach the section that shows the coin's historical price details. On CoinGecko, this area includes the coin's all-time high and all-time low values. Coin pages also show the date when each of those price levels happened. CoinGecko lists these directly in the historical price section of the coin page. Look at the all-time high row first. This tells you the highest price the coin has ever reached since it was listed. Next to it, you'll also see the percentage change from that all-time high, which helps you understand how far the current price is from its peak. Right below that, you'll find the all-time low row. This shows the lowest recorded price for that coin. Just like the all-time high section, CoinGecko also displays the date when that low happened, along with the percentage change from that level to the current price. If you want to compare multiple coins, you can repeat the same process by going back to the search bar, opening another coin page, and checking the same historical price section. This makes it easy to review how different coins have performed over time. And that's it. To find a coin's all-time high and all-time low on CoinGecko, just search for the coin, open its page, and look in the historical price section for the ATH and ATL values along with their dates and percentage changes.